Yeah, I liked it for a little second, but it's 0 seconds right now. I want to throw this snowball at people, but I want to wait for the right timing.
On final approach.
Here we
Have
go.
my
Here we
shard
go.
ready.
Don't
Very
stand in the middle
well.
because I'm gonna make
You
everybody
will
slide
have
out of
the
here.
shard, and
It's gonna be funny.
I the foundation.
Here we go. Out of here. Nobody knew. What's going on? They should
The
start
final moments are upon us. I shall wait no longer.
now. Oh. I'll pickaxe him. Actually, we're on his team. I'm not gonna pickaxe him. He's gonna get it.
With this blade, the foundation will remember the meaning of winter.
He's gonna kill the foundation.
The blade that froze kingdoms and vanquished gods. Tonight, it awakens again for us.
Should have gone up there to see what's going on. Oh man. What's gonna happen?
Let's give them a show of our strength.
I'm gonna get up here so I can see up close.
Wind, snow, ice. These are mine to command.
Let's see. I see something happening there. Oh yeah, up there.
It is time. Let
What's
them
gonna happen?
fear the cold.
What's going on? Nothing's happening down there. It's a better view from up here, guys, by the way.
I will arrive soon. The final shard will be home
Go.
once again.
Gonna view from up here. Oh.
Everyone, the final shard will soon be returned to its home. The Foundation and his team wait, hoping to spring their trap. Let them. The surprise belongs to us. Rise. Follow me, and the Foundation will crumble. Let them hear us. Fly close to the Dark Harvester. Show your strength. Once the Foundation's plan fails, be ready to engage.
All of you, keep your eyes open. The Foundation's team is hidden. You will know when to strike. Ice King! Ice King! Hear me! There he is.
You, the strong man, finally decides to show up.
It doesn't have to be like this. Give us the shard and end this now.
Fool, there is no stopping this.
Opening doors.
And you can't deal with the fact that your prized trophy escaped?
You didn't escape. You were discarded. Now witness the world remade.
Ready yourselves.
Well, you know,
there's only one thing left to say.
Porcupine, you son of a bitch. Open fire!
Malfunctioning!
Foundation, is there a
Kill him, guys. Kill the Foundation.
Time for plan B! This has got to work! Bullseye!
No, I'm glitching. Oh, they're coming to kill us. Okay, I can kill them. I can kill them. That guy's running away. Oh, I almost got him. Shoot, I'm running.
We did it.
You're not going anywhere.
I'm going after him. I don't care.
hadn't planned on
I'm
it.
stopping him myself.
Perfect. The shard was the price. And this, my reward.
Whoa!
Ice King, make him regret this. His weapon, what has he done?
Really, you're not my enemy. You're just a trinket I put on my shelf.
We've been hit. Ice King, this is your final failure.
It's over.
Who brings a sword to a rock fight?
You're not the first to stand before this blade. Just the next to fall.
They made a huge hole in the rock. I'm the Ice King.
I like it.
For me, it sucks. Yeah, for me, it sucks to kill this guy.
I could get used
Try my best. I might make my Ice King fail, to be honest. Peely just betrayed us. I'm spamming like crazy. I mean, technically, Ice King should win if you think about it.
Now this ends with me!
Lost your step.
There we go. We actually won.
You better hope that I never break free. That's better.
The Foundation is finished. You've played your part well, Ice King. Consider our agreement complete. Behold the true power of the 0 point.
Oh, maybe I wasn't supposed to stand on top of that. It's actually a good animation. I was spamming like crazy.
They've reformed the 0 point.
Yes. The mission has failed.
Our enemies were one step ahead of us the whole time. How is this possible? Incoming! We got a problem here.
Actually, everything is going according to plan.
What is this? Jello? It's been you all along?
The Seven may still prove useful to me. I fear the same cannot be said for you, Agent Jones.
What are your orders, Master?